What's up everyone, welcome to EagleEyeFX, and in this video guys I just want to share with you a follow-up on a setup that I shared, a forecast that I shared on an odd JPY, and we were looking for massive sales. Look at the 4-hour time frame and show you the opportunity, and these are sort of my go-to setups. So you can see that we had this double top over here. The market came back all the way to this level, then it's been consolidating to the upside. We had this structure over here. Now this is the kind of structure that we don't want to we normally don't let this kind of structure pass us like that, because you can see that after this double top over here, on top of this level over here, we had this structure that had 1, 2, and 3 touches. Remember, we look for 3 touches, then we know that this market was gonna sell. So this is what we call a mass psychology, whereby a lot of people thought that this double top over here has been actually broken out, broken out, so they were actually looking for buying opportunities. Then the market comes back inside massively like that. Then of course you could have taken your sales on top here, or you could have taken your sales on the breakout over there. Now the opportunity I want to share is inside here. So once we had this strong bearish movement over here, of course we are looking for what? We are looking for our first after this let me take this out. So after this setup here, I mean this structure over here, as you can see, this structure over here, what we did, we saw an impulse move. And of course now we are looking for a clear correction for us to sell all the way to this level over here, and overall all the way to that level over there. So all right, so let's go to it. So let's open the chart, and as you can see, this was there. This was the setup. If you look at my YouTube video, you'll see I'd say that here we had seen a double top over there, then we had this broken structure. It gave us a structure over there, and then after that we had an impulse move, and then now we are on our correction over there. Then we were looking for what? We were looking for a movement to the downside, and as you can see how it actually played out. But let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that in the 4-hour time frame, this was the structure. So we had this breakout over here, which was actually what I shared, and I said it's my go-to setups. All right, because you can see that it gave us, if you go back there, you can see 1, 2, and 3 touches. Of course we missed this move on top here, and we didn't see also this move at the breakout. But immediately after the impulse move, we had our flag over there, and that's why I said that this is actually my go-to setup, and I was looking for sales all the way actually to this level over here. So this is actually a trade that I took. You can see, let me go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, then you can see that we had this level over here. You can see that we had this structure. Of course we had, this is our flag over there. We had 1, 2, and 3 touches, then we had an impulse move. Then I actually entered somewhere around here, then my stop loss was somewhere around above here, and then you can see how it just broke out, impulse move, then you had a correction, then you move to the downside. So you can see that we actually are in profits. You can see that we are actually massive in profit like that. So I've actually adjusted my stop loss. I want to move it further down over here, and yeah, then you can see that this is beautiful, this is massive. I remember I shared and I said that this is actually one of those my go-to setups, that I will not just leave it to go like that. And you can see that it really it has actually done what? It has actually played out massively. All right guys, so remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos when we post them. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.